Hello students, we will discuss an instrument today which is very crucial, especially in major surgery when there is bleeding. What this instrument is, look at that, very nice, see that, like this, some curved, some this one. What this instrument is, this is Bulldog clamps. It's a very essential, this is Bulldog clamps, very essential instrument in vascular surgery, major surgeries of any type, to prevent bleeding, to control hemorrhage. That is very strong instrument actually. They can be softer, they can be firm, because the soft one is usually used for veins like jugular vein, iliac vein, femoral vein, IVC. Whereas strong one, these are specifically for arteries, because pressure they have to withstand more, like carotid, femoral artery, or renal artery, sometimes aorta, and so on. So there are different types are there. Small Bulldog clamps are used mainly, they call serifine, they are mainly used in AV fistulas. Neurologist or vascular surgeons or general surgeons will do AV fistulas for, especially for hemodialysis in a CKD patient or renal failure patient. So in such fistula, to create the small Bulldog, they are called. They are actually often called as serifine. That's the word. It's a small Bulldogs again. So these are the different curved one is there, bigger ones there, stout one is there. So this is the other models. There are so many types, so many names are there. I'm not going to detail that. This is the one what is called as sports Bulldog clamp. So remember, Bulldog clamp is a very essential instrument for major surgeries and vascular surgeries. Smaller one is useful for AV fistula, small vascular anastomosis, and often it is very major surgeries. Large Bulldogs are very, very essential in anticipation of major bleeding, or when you injure the major vessel, that to control the bleeding temporarily is very useful, and it will so that you can suture the whatever cut which is happened during major surgeries. That is about Bulldog clamp. So answer the main MCQ student, identify this instrument. So what is this instrument? Look at that, three-dimensional, stout instrument, like a crocodile, like a jaw, and very strong instrument. What is this instrument? This identify this one, whether it is Moynihan's occlusion clamp, whether it is Doyen's crushing clamp, whether it is Doyen's occlusion clamp, whether it is Payer's crushing clamp. Here Payer's, P-A-Y-R spelling, but pronunciation Payer's. So identify this instrument. Comment, put the correct answer in the comment box tomorrow, and I will give the correct answer tomorrow. Please go through it and put the answer please tomorrow. So go through my clinical method surgery with the video of examination, and my manual surgery details everything about surgery for UG as per CBM syllabus, operative surgery details about procedures, my suture approximation with the technique with the video. Of course, DigiNow lectures through JP publishers gives every lectures about all surgical topics which are essential, including specialties and instrument, specimen, and images. So students, I hope you understood the Bulldog clamp very well. Thank you very much.